A
Hi
lot of people
Vikas.
actually. How are you?
We're good,
Anu,
thanks.
we all are in the same situation. Buddy, what to do?
Vikas.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi Ricardo.
Hello,
So
Vikas. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm really good. Hi
Hello,
Rashmi.
Vikas.
Hi. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Let's say hi and hello, right? Because we have not done hi hello to lot of people actually since months the lockdown.
Hello, Vikas.
Hey, hug
Raja
to
here.
Luke, hug, really hug actually, right? My son was saying he wanted to see you, by the way. Who is Luke? Too much of Luke in our house actually, right? Okay, good. Hi Subodh, Roshni, Raja, a lot
Hi,
of people.
Vikas.
Hi Roshni, how
Hi.
are you?
Hey, I'm good. Thank you. How are you doing?
No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm doing the same as you. Maybe lockdown, maybe looking
Okay.
for COVID to get out. Same situation, right? No difference.
Okay, no
Yeah,
difference. Okay,
yeah, good.
thanks.
Hey, hi Vikas.
Hi everyone. Right. I'll wait for another 2 minutes basically to people to join. Right. Yeah, that's fine.
Sure.
Hi,
Hey
Vikas.
Vikas.
Hi guys. Hi. See everyone.
Hi, Vikas.
Yes, everyone to
Hi, guys.
hi.
Hi
Hi
Vikas.
Ran.
Hi,
Disturbing you
Luke.
again.
Hey Deepti. Hi Deepti.
Hi, Deepti.
Hi.
Okay, okay, right. So I'll wait for another 2 minutes, right? So I have a lot of people here. Arjun, Zoom one, which is nothing but Deepti, Ranvijay, Priya, Jappreet, Toad, Anupam. Oh man, so many people. It's very difficult to, say hi to everyone. Hi, everyone, I could say that. Okay, we'll take 2 more minutes to people to join. I request you to get mute, right? And my facilitator, Sid, will you allow me to share the screen? Can I share my screen?
Yes.
Okay, I'll share my screen. Okay, so we start. Yeah, it's 7:45. We start. Everyone mute Madhvi. Hey Madhvi, very good. Mute. Thank you. So
Yes. Yeah.
okay. So what we are trying to do? What we are trying to do today is nothing but we are trying to use a tool called Weave, which is scaled agile Weave tool for collaboration, and we are going to try to do something called prep of PI planning. I don't think so PI planning is successful unless until we do some prep. So what we do in prep, very quickly I'm going to speak out, right? These are parallel sequences. Although these are in sequence, but we are going to do in parallel. Why? Because we have less time. The first one is nothing but we are going to play, there is something called cover story. Cover story is nothing but the business people, execs, business owners, they all meet together and they all try to have a cover story, big headline. They do brainstorming. They do have some kind of a data why we are doing this PI. So this is something we are going to do for 15, 20 minutes. So I would suggest some 10 to 15 people can join Anupam. Anupam is going to do with that, right? So Anupam is probably going to get this kind of an output, right? For that. Yeah. Let's see what really that output would be. Then what will happen, we'll also have a parallel sequence, second sequence basically running through, which is 2020 vision prioritization. Now this is where product managers, they all meet together, they all try to, hey, this is something, the business hypothesis, this is the benefit, right? And these are the vision statements of a feature which we need to basically, divide, and somehow step 2 and step 3 will bring your green apples to red apple. This is very very essential before PI planning, right? Which is also one input of PI planning. I would suggest some of you can join, Nikita will be basically, running this thing, and I will also come in that particular breakout session. Okay, and she will help you. Third one is nothing but which is very very essential. It's not that PI planning is groomed during PI planning. There's a lot of things which is required, and somehow 60 to 70% or maybe 80% things should be groomed. So this is the third sequence which we are going to do in Weave. There would be two, two, two facilitators. One is Ashish and another is Subodh and Vadi. They are going to facilitate. So what you will see four different breakout sessions. And my suggestion is that 10-10, try to basically go through these one session. Don't try to do a window shopping, because after that we are going to do sum it up, right? And what exactly this is. Now with this, I would like Sid, would you like to, and what we are trying to do? The situation is nothing but COVID. Yeah. And this is a government, IT company, and they all are trying to identify themes associated for a COVID. They're also trying to identify features which will be helping in terms of getting relevant data for future COVID features, which is required probably for healthcare, migrants. You know what is happening in India at this moment, right? So I'm trying to make it little relevant with what situation we all are in. And I'm very much sure in 15 to 20 minutes, we will definitely have some kind of an output. It could be chaos. It could be, you could not basically, join a particular Weave forum. That's possible, but, have fun. So with that, Sid, would you like to start those 4 breakout sessions, please?
Yes.
Thank you
So,
very much. Yeah, and why don't you name those breakout sessions? Which one is for Anupam? Yeah, can you do that? Yeah,
Yep.
should I? Yeah. I will stop sharing screen, right?
yes. So,
Yes. Already, Ashish, Anupam, Subodh, Vadi, you all are good.
Yes.
okay.
I'll
Yes.
keep you. Yes. Luke is here. Luke is here. You know that,
Yes.
right? Good.
So,
Do that.
I'm just clicking the button, and now we would be going into our breakout rooms, and it would be for 20 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, Chaitanya
Okay.
joined.
And all guys, Anupam, Vadi, all your screen should be up. You should be in your V forum. I hope so. Call them, call participants, right? Invite them, and make them play. Very good. Absolutely nice. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Sid. Not someone who are, exactly. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Next one.
All right, go ahead, please.
Yeah.
So, what about these things? Travel industry data. What do we think about that?
Less important.
Hey, very good.
Yes.
Less important. Less.
Less
Yeah,
important.
fine. They are important,
Drop
but not
it
at
a
this
bit.
moment.
Yeah,
Drop it a
yeah.
bit. Drop it more down. Very good.
Go down. Okay.
What is
Perfect.
next? What is next?
Collecting data for needy industry to provide loan.
A medium kind of.
Medium kind of a thing.
Medium
We
kind.
can still
Hey,
put it up
everyone
in
is saying
this
very
So
one.
do we
good,
put
very
it
good.
here?
Yeah.
For now, yes.
I can't see
Oh.
it.
Yeah,
It
it is
disappeared.
back.
Okay, back.
Okay.
Came back.
Perfect.
Let's talk about the identifying pharma startup.
Definitely need that one, but it will be in the middle of kind of a range.
Okay, good. Go ahead. Go
Yep.
ahead. Good. Everyone
Yeah.
speaks. Very good.
Yep.
Okay, Nikita, you will able to do that, right? I'll go to the
Yeah,
next
yeah.
forum now. Thank
Sure.
you.
But please.
Definitely.
Thanks, Vikas.
Migrant data, that is also
Labor.
important.
Yeah.
I
It's
think
important.
Yeah. So
Yep.
we do it here.
lots of
If
lives
anybody,
being
Yes.
lost.
right. So if anybody thinks anything needs to be rearranged, do let me know.
Yeah, so why don't you quickly basically try to groom those? Yes, absolutely
Yeah.
with them. Okay.
Yeah, sure, definitely. Okay, let's start. Okay, so let's go one by one. I mean, you can also contribute the others, right? Like Hari, Jaya, can you all just see, like, we will take one by one. Let's see the identification of data for relevant migrants, right? So this is the
Subodh,
feature.
move me to Anupam. Yeah.
So this is the first feature that we are taking. I hope you can all move the red apple and green apple and the other stuff right in the screen. Just give a thumbs up if you can do that. Just show. Perfect. Very well. Very good. Okay. So just we'll try one. So
Could be the, why we are doing it. Okay, what needs to be done, and what is the theme of the and the context, why we are doing it.
Exactly. One thing I would add, right, to all of us. Hey, before we do anything, the most important thing is why. What's the benefit hypothesis of that? My coach Luke says, more than drill, the hole is important, right? You need to find a hole. For hole, there is a possibility we don't need a drill. So what we need to do, we need to, move that. I have just done this thing simply for you so that, and this is again, COVID. You all are business. You are a prime minister of India, right? Along with state chief ministers, and see what you could do. Yes, Anupam.
Yeah. So what we'll do is, let us brainstorm and see, what themes that we are going to build. Initial thing is the theme, and then we'll come to the headlines, and then we'll see the what are the outcomes and what are the codes.
Yes, Anupam, put one theme. Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Hey, let's say just for an example, this is one of the theme that we have. So this theme states, need to support the migrants who are in need. As we've seen that there are a lot of migrant population who is suffering due to COVID. They can't go back to their homes, and there has been a lot of chaos on the ground. So looking at all the scenarios, so this is one of the prime need that needs to be addressed by the government. So similar.
What do you feel, others? What do you feel, right? I want others to basically speak. Yes. What are the
Actually,
things?
I'm like confused. Like, what exactly we're trying to make it out? What are we trying to do?
Yes, Gayatri. Yes, I will say what we are trying to do. You are a business owners and execs. You are trying to at this moment look for a theme, right? The theme on which a government app are going to further work on identifying data, for which your product managers are working in terms of basically, right, prioritizing feature, right? So you are at this moment trying to see in your PI planning, you are going to have a motivation quote. You need to tell what is the why behind your theme altogether, for which your team is going to work. So for that, collectively, you are trying to do a brainstorming. Are we good, Jayatri?
Yeah, fine.
Perfect. Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Go ahead, please.
Go ahead.
Yeah, Anupam, please go ahead.
So I think we need to just work on the themes. So one of the themes that I just highlighted is the need to support the migrants who are in need. So this is one of the themes.
Yeah.
Do we agree? Do we agree?
Agree or, I mean, let's debate on that. Yeah, please, Vijay. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. What's the next one, Anupam? Yeah. And you people can also move there. Yeah, exactly right.
To move.
Sid, you can move me to the Nikita, please. Thank you. Yeah, Anupam, go ahead.
So second theme is what we thought. I mean, need to support risky population towards COVID. When we say risky population,
how simply we were able to do this thing in remote situation, we need these tools. By the way, this could be played by all of us together, right? This could be played by all of us. Even it's not only Nikita who could do, others can also speak and move things actually, right? Okay. Yeah.
We are doing it actually, Vipul. Right.
Very good.
So is it Vikas, is it getting aligned to this 1, 2, 3, or it's just like you can move it freely?
You can move it freely as you want. You can move down, up, right? But it is at this moment aligned to 1, 2, 3. So what you are doing, you are trying to making your prioritization. For you, the first one is containment zone. So what you did, you had a bunch of ideas, and then bunch of ideas you have moved towards your most important ideas and not so important ideas. And this is the best way how we people think. We do not think like And this is one of a framework actually towards that. Good. Okay.
So because just a quick question, right? It only has 1 to 10 priority list, right? So can we add little more, or
why don't you can add more? Yeah, Nikita, can you click items? And why don't these people can and you know, orange sticky note, right? Name is wrong. And place it there. And what is that? What do you want to add, Vikram? What do you want to add, Vikram?
Actually, from the initial things which was there, we put it up the containment zones and all these things. So we want to do it right in terms of in the application in notifications to those who are COVID specific, right? That is a part of that, right? But
so add something. You all are product management team. You can add this thing. Yeah, exactly. Perfect. Okay. Sid, move me to Ashish.
So the item we want to add is notification to COVID patients.
Yes, in-app and out-app notifications, right? Like a SMS and within the app notifications as well, right?
Okay.
Right. Yeah, this is important, right?
Yeah. At this moment, it's good if you keep adding things actually, right? That's absolutely fine. And this is not we are doing PI planning, but we are collecting all the information, right? And these informations are absolutely required before we go to PI planning. And yeah, good. Yes, Ashish, keep updating.
Yeah. Okay.
Perfect. Okay, that's it. Next one.
Okay, so what's the next activity we think?
Then I guess next step would be to collect data, and then there are many different ways you can collect it.
Okay.
But the activity would be collect data.
Yes, and there is also a possibility if you people are in this framework, you could get in and you could add yourself. Absolutely. Okay. Collect data. Yes, Ashish, create. That's it. What's next? We are doing quickly. We have 20 minutes.
Analyze the data collected based on the parameters.
Yes, analyze data.
Analyze data. Right. What's next?
Publish.
Sorry, come again.
Publish the data. So once I analyze it, then I have to write about it or publish it or something like that.
Okay.
Or publish results, maybe.
Yeah. Okay.
And based on your analysis and publishing the results, then you have to secure that population which is at risk.
I would say take action based on the data.
Yeah.
Or based on results. Okay.
Super.
Yeah.
So if we have done that much, right, can we probably see whether how many of these things we will put it in iteration 1 or iteration 2? Ideally, what I do, I even groom it more. And while I groom it more, I also try to identify dependencies if there is a dependency with respect to some other team. At this moment, we don't know what other team is doing, right? But yeah, so what is the second one, right? Sid, you can move me to Anupam's. Thanks, Ashish. Great job.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So the next step that we have to do is decide about these things, and let's move it to the.
No problem, because we'll take care.
Perfect. Madhvi is there. Luke is there. So they know it well. Perfect.
How do we join the other rooms also, Vikas?
No, don't do window shopping. It's only for me, Gayatri. Thank you very much. I will submit for you.
Okay. Interested to know what is happening out there.
Don't worry. You will get a recording. Perfectly fine.
Okay.
Okay. Sid, move me to Vadi.
So what we are doing is that we are now coming to the headlines. So why we are doing this? What is the theme? And what theme is
So Subodh, why can't you take this, my friend?
Yeah, sure. So like think on what are the activity we can think on that.
Yeah. So someone can
We have
help.
already our iteration plan ready. Do we
For
have...
first feature, yes.
Okay,
you can see
good. Not
all
bad.
apples
Not
placed.
bad. Not bad. Not bad.
Yeah. Now we are doing the second feature. So yeah. So Subodh, please help. And yeah, Praveen, Pooja, please contribute. You can think about. You
The
can.
first point would be like the valid government ID proofs where the age is mentioned. So first point would be that let's not restrict to Aadhaar card alone. We can go for
Very
any
good.
ID proof.
Perfect. So who was that? Who was that?
It's me, Ranvijay. Ranvijay
Okay.
Singh.
Vijay Singh. Vijay, are you there in the forum?
Yeah,
You already.
I'm there. Yeah.
Can you click on the items and then just drag a green apple and then put it under activity 1 and then just try to type it?
Okay, I have.
Pull a green apple, just write it there, and then we will sequence and pull it to the iteration board.
Yeah, I think multiple people can do simultaneously, right?
Multiple, yeah.
Yeah, so
Everyone
can create an apple and try to write your points. Put in that activity or task, and then make the name. That will easy for all of us, so that we can quickly have.
So we have someone mention pre-existing disease. Okay, very good. Anybody else? Pooja is typing something.
Yeah, I typed in pre-existing diseases.
Perfect. Okay. And someone else, Praveen, Priya, Ranvijay, Satish, you can also pull the apples and eat it. Or you can also tell me, I can also do it. Yeah, I think someone is working on it. Looking for data from passport.
Maybe their economic background. I mean, so how financially stable are they?
Okay, financial background. We'll put that financial background. I'll type it. Maybe you can tell me. Financial BC check. Okay.
I'm looking for a motivation quote actually, right? If you are a business people, if you are a business owners, if you are execs, when you are going to talk about your theme, there has to be some really motivating vision for them, right? So that's one more thing, right, associated with this. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I think we are done with the breakout session, right?
Yeah, we are just 30 seconds left for the breakout.
So quickly, right? What is our motivation theme?
Any motivation theme, please, quickly.
Quickly. Otherwise, I will say, fight it out. This is not the end. We need to win. Can we have this? Because see, we all are in this situation. What could be that?
Never say die.
Never say die.
Oh, great.
Let's go get it.
Let's go get it. The vaccine.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. The vaccine, the cure for COVID. Because you have to unmute yourself. We can't hear you.
Yeah, sorry. I was just saying I joined late. Sorry for that. So I was just placed into this room. So I'm just
okay. So Vikas yeah, you need to listen. That's it now.
Sure. Thanks.
Very good. So let everyone there. Sid, I will wait for me to sum it up later on. Sid?
Yes.
So are we all here?
Yes, we have 59 participants back into the main room.
Whether we had, okay, so can we have, can you allow me to share my screen?
Yes, you can.
Wait. So what you people have done, wait. Okay, so I am going to share my screen. So what you all have done different activities basically, right? First year was nothing but from Anupam. What Anupam did with you all a kind of a cover story. A story which is nothing but a theme of our next PI. This talks about why we are doing. This should have a motivational quote. This is also something which should have a benefit hypothesis, why we are doing. Not what we are doing, why we are doing. And that's something, right, together you have done in a brainstorm sessions actually, right? Yeah. And this is called cover story. Quickly in 15 minutes we have done. Ideally, it takes more than that time. Anupam, anything actually, right, you would like to update? What was any one comment has come out of it, right? Or anybody wanted to say? Rajshri, you were there, right?
Yes, I was there.
Yes. So this is nothing but a theme which some of you business people have created actually. And this is something, first thing, which is essential and which is also required for a PI planning. Because business people along with execs, they need to motivate team why we are doing that. That's first piece. The second piece is nothing but how to prioritize our features done by product management team, right? Nikita, you have done that, right?
Yes, we did that.
Yeah, you did that. You did that. And you had a lot of green apples. And how quickly what you have done? You have made these green apples basically, right? Move to most important and not most important things. And then what you did, you moved it basically as red apples by prioritization. It was good. It was useful.
It was
How
very
quickly?
useful.
Those were basically right. That's the second sequence that's required by product management, right? To do that, because they need to give a product vision, right, to a PI or any quarterly plan, which used to be basically said earlier. And then what has happened? The people from Vadi, can you please basically share your screen, Vadi? Vadi, will you able to share your screen? Yes. So
No, Vikas.
Okay,
maybe
so what?
Sid, you need to.
No problem. So I will go to Weave because I will go to Weave. It will take a minute. So what Vadi did, give me a minute. Vadi did nothing but a grooming, because we also need to do something which is refinement of the stories, and which is nothing but, you know, he was along with development team, and while he was working with the development team, he was also grooming those stories basically, right? So probably I will do that. Subodh and Vikas. Yeah. Let me see what they have done. So they had already their iteration ready. So we had a theme, which is nothing but a business context. We have product management, you know, identifying their vision with their product features, identified together collaboratively, and then those product features around 60 to 70 to 80%, right? We had also groomed and we had categorized them that this is something which we wanted to do first, this is we wanted to do second and third, and then we further keep grooming it. There is one more thing we do, ideally, if we have multiple teams, right? Because we will be having a multiple teams in a scale thing. We also identify our dependencies, which I have not done there. And one more activity we do, where we do an activity with an architect team, where they identify enablers. So once we have done all these activities together, then only we are ready for PI. Otherwise, the PI has no sense. Otherwise, PI might not give a good result, which we are looking for. With that, I end, and I'm absolutely okay for any questions. Yes, we have 10 minutes for questions. Yes, any questions, please?
Guys, ask any
You
question
said-
if you have.
Yeah, so just want to ask, you said it's pre-PI, right? And it's not the PI.
Prep. No, it's not
Yeah,
that.
so prep. So approximately how I mean, for a quarter, if you had to take, what would be your recommendation to start this?
Arjun, my recommendation always to basically, you know, start it when the PI, the previous PI is already being executed. So I'll give a specific example. Last Monday, we had, last Tuesday, we had completed a PI session in one of an organization, right? Which means immediately after that, the business people should start working on the vision, the business context, right? And the product management should start basically looking for these green apples. There is a strong possibility they might not get all these green apples. They need to, you know, pluck these green apples, right? And then only they will move it to red. So my personal
Okay.
suggestion is that this is a regular event. This is nothing but which is called continuous exploration, right? This is a continuous exploration. This keep happening. This is my answer. Any
Okay.
more questions, please?
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
So, Vikas Mahavir here.
Yes,
One
Mahavir.
question. We have multiple breakout teams, but is there a one consolidated view where we will see the outcome from the all 4 teams?
Yeah. So what I will do, I will send that thing basically as a PPT. But just let me show you this. This is the first thing, and we could do that. We could do that. That I have not planned, and that is also possible in Weave. This is which Luke was saying, right? That I could do. Yeah, this is the first. Yeah, this is the second. Do you see that? And this could be the third, which I have not collected actually, right? Okay. But what you have seen, that's pretty much possible to have a consolidated view. Absolutely possible. I have not planned it at this moment. Yes. Any more questions?
So Weave is paid a tool, or how is it charged?
It's not for me to answer. This is Scaled Agile to answer actually, right? So
No, no,
Weave is
is it-
definitely, yes. So it is. It is. I don't know at this moment. At what moment it is charged. I have a pro version because I used to work with Luke earlier, and I was using it prior to it being acquired by Scaled Agile. Yes. But this is beautiful tool. This is just one small iota of thing which I have shown you guys. How was this? How quickly we were able to do this, right? How much? 15, 20 minutes? Maybe not very meaningful, but still, when we have more time, we could have more meaningful things. Yes or no?
Yes.
Are we good?
Yes.
Yeah,
Really good.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Any more critical questions? Absolutely fine, right? Yeah.
How do you visualize the dependency?
Sorry.
Yeah, I have also a same question.
Yeah. So
How do you visualize
I will.
dependencies?
Yeah. So how to visualize this dependency? Ideally, what I do, right? I have not shown. This is a pre-PI planning, right? So how we do at this moment, I will show you another template actually, right? Okay, which I have not done. What I do in that particular green apple, I make it banana, or I make it something called a chili, right? And that chili is nothing but dependency. So I won't be able to show you everything, but if you see, this is a PI planning, right? Yeah. Yeah. So in that, we probably, we add a chili event, which I have not added at this moment. We could shoot definitely dependency. At this moment, it does not have a string part, but we could change a color. For an example, apple, chili. Right? Chili is a dependency. Chili is not something with the same grade as an apple actually. That's how I do in different other places. Any more questions?
I have a question. How do we actually?
Sorry,
Your voice is breaking.
Your voice is breaking.
Uh,
Who is this first of all?
yeah, this is Nivya.
No, I'm not able to listen to you. Sorry, Nevia. Can you chat? Can you send it in your chat, please? Okay, any more questions? Nevia, you can chat with me. You can put it in Sid. I will definitely answer you. Yeah.
So Vikas, one last question.
Sure.
So regarding this story mapping is what we did.
One person each. Yeah.
Yeah. Let her go ahead.
Yeah, Nevia. No, she's not able to.
Hi, I was just asking, how do we show the enablers? We talk
Very good.
about the enablers. How do we picturize the enablers here for any of the prioritized work?
Wait. So I have another thing, right? In 20 minutes, it was very difficult to show everything, right? So I have something which I will probably try to show you. Wait. So there is something which I do, and okay, I'll try if I can basically show you. And what I do here.
I think Luke has answered in the chat.
Yeah, he will answer basically, right? Thanks, Luke. Luke, I don't know how you do, but I do it differently. This is my way of enabler actually, right? Luke, this is how I do, right? If there is a green apple here and this is an engineering team, they say, hey, this is my enabler. Something like that. I don't know if Luke has answered that. This is how I do, right? There are different ways of doing it actually, right? Any more questions?
Yeah. Where is the program board finally?
Program board is also there, right? And we have not planned program board. It was a prep of PI. Tomorrow you will say there is an execution plan.
No, I think the tool is really good. So everybody has
Because we are not able to see you. Can you open your camera as well? We are not able to see you.
You want to see me? I'm not in a great shape. I didn't have a
want to see your happy
for
face.
some time. I've not done a haircut from some time. And of course, I was saying to Deepti, I'm stressed out. I'm tired.
Because that's why he want to see you.
No problem. So you see, all these are my private forums. Hey, Luke, I've done so much of work. You're seeing?
Shouldn't you be using mangoes for India, not apples?
You know what? Mangoes definitely, right? I could use mango next time actually, right? But it was difficult for me to have a change in color of mango. So green color to red color was more metaphoric for me, my friend. But that's perfectly fine. And this was a global event.
So from green raw to
so this is one PI board. This is one PI board, and Scaled Agile also has a PI board which they have created. This is there are a lot if you see, right? Some of them are my private ones. Some of them are Scaled Agile ones, right? So there is a PI board. Scaled Agile has also done. Definitely, right? Yes.
Right.
Okay.
Also,
Any more questions?
Is Scaled Agile providing these templates?
Luke, do you want to answer? I'll let Luke answer. I can't answer. Yes. So Scaled Agile. Yeah, Luke.
So Scaled Agile is still working out the business model and which templates. If there's a private template that we want to make public, people like Vikas can send me a note and then we can review it. But we're very careful about which templates we make public. When I first created the platform, anyone could make a template public. And what happened is we had over 1,000 templates that got really confusing. So we're trying to balance the number of public templates, right, to promote creativity without overwhelming people. Because if you log into the platform and you see 1,000 templates, it's confusing. So it's a tricky information management problem. But we're getting there. But some of these, he makes fantastic templates. I think it's a really interesting knowledge management and AI
Luke,
space.
did you remember this one? IPL Retro Bowl cricket?
Yeah.
Do you want to speak out on this?
Oh no, so I think the important thing is that and Vikas helped me in a talk that I was giving about creating culturally relevant templates. And so I think part of the future is to not have to have each culture have expressions of templates. The platform is also localized, right? So we support French and Spanish and Korean and other languages. But I think even the idioms and the interaction patterns of how humans like to collaborate is culturally influenced. And we want to celebrate those cultures and celebrate the opportunity to create really unique experiences. And I think we're on a very long journey, but this is a fantastic example of how to create a template that, frankly, I don't understand because I don't know what cricket is.
I spoke to Luke. So this was my first template with respect, when I have made it, I think 2.5 years, Luke, before. And this is something, right, I would say, to do a retrospective in a large organization. Japreet, you are there. You facilitated with me in Verifone. I'll name it actually, right, to identify so what are the items which make you bold? What are the items which make you caught out? What are the items which make you basically right? And then move it to common, dev, QA. Guys, it was very easy for me to do this retro in an Indian circumstances, as Luke says, culturally relevant metaphors actually, right? But maybe not for Luke, maybe not for Germany, right? For that, we need to look some other thing actually, right? But this is very capable tool. Luke, I love it. You know that anyways.
Guys, we are just 3 minutes away from the time boxing.
So Did you like this? I just want yay. Yay.
Yay.
Thank you very much. Thank you. And thank you very much for coming for this.
Yeah, actually, I have been using Weave for a long time, and I really like the tool. I mean, once you start using
Madhvi,
it,
my sister. Yes.
you will, you will see how useful it is and how flexible it is. I mean, you will really like it.
Perfect.
Vikas, can you stop sharing, and then we can have lovely picture of all the parchments that we have. Lovely picture.
Please, hey Luke, you are with. Hug. Wow. Can I call my son? He wanted to see you. Really?
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Oh. My kids are always doing this too. My kids are always doing this too, right?
So you want to see Luke? You want to see to Luke? It's okay. It's a bad situation, Luke. This is my son. This is a Luke. This guy is Luke.
Hello. Somebody else came up.
He knows. And guys, 100 people. He has also created a template. At the age of 9 and a half.
Great.
Oh, good.
That's because humans play games starting at the age of 2, right? We are being human is to play.
Absolutely.
Okay, guys. So we are just at the last moment. I'll thank Vikas for this wonderful session and learning. I hope everyone enjoyed the session.
Picture time.
Yes, and friends, please. Yes.
I would like to know more about this. How do we get the details? If we like to know more about this tool,
reach out to Luke or Vikas. Reach out to Luke or Vikas.
How do we get more details? Organization. How do we get more details?
Reach out to myself. I will definitely help you. Yeah. Or maybe take you to right person. No problem. Rahul. Yeah.
Okay, and friends, please visit the program sheet and choose your next game, and we'll have 5 minutes break. After, for information on video and details about the game, please join Closing Circle tomorrow at 10:15 p.m. IST. Okay, so thanks again, Vikas, for a wonderful session, and see you at the next game, friends. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Vikas. Love your energy.
Thank you, Vikas and Luke.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.